Hey everybody, hope you're having a happy Monday. I'm Sam. This is East of Eden Farms where I'm recording this, and of course this is also the home for my podcast, This Stuff's Weird. But today we're continuing our series on looking at some different things that I'm producing in the garden. And in case you want to try them, or in case you want to grow them, or if you want to avoid them, whatever the situation is. But right now I want to show you this because this was a mistake. Can you see that? I don't know how. Let's see there. That's about as close as I'm going to get it. But this was supposed to be a Thai pepper. When I bought it, it's what it was labeled at, and that's not what it is. So I have heard through the grapevine that there's been a lot of seeds that were mixed up in the pepper world earlier this year in the Northeast, and so a lot of people ended up, a lot of the commercial nurseries got the wrong kind of seeds, and so they sold the wrong kind of seeds. And I bought a bunch of things from a Northeast nursery this year. I think 4 or 5 different types of peppers, and of the ones I ordered from them, only one turned out to be the kind of pepper that I ordered. Now unfortunately most of them I either started from seeds myself, or I got from Jim Duffy at Refining Fires Chilies, and he's right here in North Georgia. So I've been his customer for a lot of years, and he just does a great job. But anyway, I harvested some of these yesterday. I was so disappointed when I saw them growing up. I thought those are not Thai peppers. And when I looked it up and started looking closely, I realized they're bird's eye peppers. Now, bird's eye peppers are from Thailand, so in that sense, they're right. They're Thai peppers. But these are very small. But despite their size, they're very potent. And I'm about to try one and tell you about it right now. I'm a little bit nervous. I know it's small, but if you remember, the last year I had the miniature Bolivian white or Peruvian white habanero peppers, and they were killers considering they're small. These are even smaller. So here we go. Wow. Wow. That's spicy meatball. I'm going to take a little sip of soda here. First of all, the first thing, it's juicy. It's full of juices that spreads in your mouth really quickly. So the heat just spread. There's a lot. It's like it's all been congealed into this tiny little package, and when you eat it, it's a big bang. So wow, I would say that's roughly as hot. It's hotter than a cayenne. It's juicier than any kind of small pepper that I've had. Even juicier than the habaneros. And like I said, what that does is the heat is in my throat, it's in my mouth, it's on my tongue, and it's hurting my left ear. So it's a really big bang for a little package. But the taste is pretty similar to a Thai pepper. It's certainly as hot as one, but it's juicier, and so I think I'm going to be able to use it in my sriracha recipe just fine. I don't know what I'll use for the other peppers. Probably use red jalapenos, and I'll probably make some with some other kinds of red peppers as well. So I have two levels of heat. But I would say this is I'm not really good at judging heat. Everything that's hotter than a habanero or as hot as a habanero and up tastes like somebody has just sprayed fire in my mouth. But I can't get over the flavor. So watch for that. Watch for me to make some sriracha recipe sriracha sauce recipe later this year, and I'll tell you more about that then. But again, those are called bird's eye peppers. They're from Thailand. They're very productive. The plant, those are tiny peppers, but the plant is literally full of them. So pardon me. So I'm going to get my money's worth. I'm starting to belch that pepper now. So anyway, I'm starting to rattle on now, and what I really need to do is take another drink of soda. So you all have a nice day. You can write to me at samburtononline@gmail.com. Ask me anything you want about any of the peppers I grow. But if you specifically want to know about these, I'll happily tell you about the bird's eye pepper. And you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time. I think we're going to try a sweet pepper next. Bye-bye.